Hi there, my name is Arthur, and I'm a dedicated and results driven professional with over 5 years of experience working remotely as a general virtual assistant and social media manager. I started my career in the telecommunications industry as an advertiser for Sun Cellular and later as a business center officer in one of the biggest telco companies in the Philippines. These roles helped me develop a strong foundation in customer service, sales, and office operations. I also worked as an ESL teacher for Chinese learners, which sharpened my communication skills and taught me how to connect with people from different cultures. For the past few years, I've been working closely with business owners and entrepreneurs, assisting them with admin tasks, calendar and email management, content creation, and social media management. I'm familiar with tools like Canva, Trello, Google Workspace, and more. What sets me apart is my ability to adapt quickly, stay organized, and always deliver quality work with a positive attitude. I value communication, reliability, and long term partnerships. Thank you for watching my video. I look forward to working with you and helping your business grow.